How to delete a page on Wix easily. To delete a page on Wix, first, log into your account and access the editor for your website. In the menu on the left side of the editor, select the page you want to delete. Click the Page tab at the top of the editor. Find the trash icon in the right corner and click on it. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete to confirm. The page will then be removed from your website. If you have any content on the page that you want to keep, be sure to copy it before deleting the page. Note, if you have multiple pages with the same name, you will need to delete each page individually. Take caution when deleting a page, as the action cannot be undone. Double-check that you really want to delete the page before confirming. If you have any content on the page that you want to keep, remember to copy it before deleting the page. Links to the page from other pages on your website or external websites will no longer function after deleting the page. Consider updating these links to a different page on your website. If the page you are deleting is included in a menu on your website, you will need to remove it from the menu as well. To do this, click on the menu in the editor, then click on the page you want to remove and click the trash icon. If you are using a template for your website, deleting a page may affect the layout or design. Be sure to check the rest of your website after deleting a page to ensure everything looks as intended. Thank you for watching our video.